Hi everyone. In this craft today we're going to be doing a Glam vase marble, and we have some boxwood over here. I got this from Walmart, so we're going to be glamming stuff out today. So the vase, I just want to show you, I got the vase from Dollar Tree. What I did was I just went ahead and painted the bottom gold, and then I went ahead and sprinkled it with the glitter. After I painted it gold, I waited for that to dry. Then I went over it with the Mod Podge and then just sprinkled the glitter all the way around. I did tape that off. Okay, this was already done for a previous project, so I'm just explaining to you how I got that round border along the bottom. So I let that dry at the time I did that. Then we're going to be using the marble contact paper, and this I got from Walmart, along with the boxwood. Isn't that beautiful? It's nice and full. I got this floral wire in the floral section of the Dollar Tree, and I got it in the gold. Let's jump right into the project. Everything that I used to make this project is down in the description box below. So let's get started. I'm going to peel back the contact paper, okay, and we're going to do this little by little so that we don't get any wrinkles or any bunches here. And so as we roll it back, we're also smoothing it. And we pull back on the paper. See how that's looking. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is just cut. There's a little bit of excess here, so I am going to go ahead and cut some off. So to smooth that all the way around. It's also easy as you keep rubbing in the area to smooth out the bubbles from there. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so we probably want to go 1, 2, 3, and let's wrap that around. So we want to get at least 3 loops around the top of this rim here, of the vase, at least 3. So what we want to do is we want to bring this first one around, and what I'm going to do is just put a dot of glue there to hold that in place, just a little tiny dot. That in place there. You can't even tell it's there. Then we're going to go around this bend here. And I'll show you where we need to. Okay, it looks like that stayed with no problem. So what we want to do is we want to come around the second flaw that I see. Okay, which would be along the top here. So here's where I want to cut off. And actually you can go ahead and cut off wherever you feel comfortable, but I know what I'm trying to cover. So, and I want to show you as soon as I glue the second half down. Okay. Okay, so isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I didn't think I can pull that off, and I did. This is something I had worked out in my mind, and I wanted to execute it in front of you. So here is what I'm saying. So there was a tiny part of the rim here, which you can't even tell, that the paper did not cover. The contact paper did not cover. So I used the wire, and you can't even tell there's a dot of glue there. And so what the dot of glue is doing is holding that in place. Then we coiled around because I saw a flaw along the top here, okay, almost like an uneven part of the contact paper. And what I did was put a dot of glue, which you can barely tell is even there. Okay, now the vase was inspired. It's a Kate Spade inspired vase. I did see this online, and I absolutely fell in love with it. So here it is, guys. I'm just very happy with it. I'm very happy this worked out. So it's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and clear everything off to display that vase for you. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's put some boxwood in here. Okay. And this is what that's looking like, guys. I think it's very beautiful. And again, everything I used to make this craft is down in the description box below. Click like, share, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.